Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to like and subscribe before we get into this video. Today we're going to upgrade our wheels for less than £100. So without further ado, let me pass you on to Wayne.
Yeah, thanks for that, Leo. So as you can see, guys, RVW's got a set of steel wheels that will never make look pretty. And set of tyres, we needed 3 new replacement tyres. So rather than go to all that expense, we decided to buy from an internet site a set of VW wheels which we could put straight on the vehicle. Now they've got a fantastic set of Avon tyres. Obviously needed some refurbing, so we're going to show you how we turn those wheels into this in a few easy steps. So here we go. So guys, we've got the bead props from the wheel and tyre, got the split there so we could get right into the edge of the rim to give us a good professional job. So into the workshop, compressed air, orbital sander, making sure that we get as much of the burr curving away from the alloy. This is where you can really get a lot of the work done. Time consuming, finishing off with any paper sanding disc, whatever you want to call it. Like I say, time consuming this. After this, making sure all the surfaces were scotched, so when we do get around to painting, priming, all the paint has got a good surface to key into. As we said, guys, earlier, we will put together all these processes in a lot longer video because there's a lot more detail that we've missed out. These are just the bullet points, but these are our wheels ready for priming. Sell all the hard work that's already gone in. So we just blow away the dust, make sure there's no dust hanging around. There you go. And we'll start to mask off, making sure all surfaces are covered. And there you go, even the final valve, very professional. We used 2K primer, helps build up the layer of paint ready for painting. There you go. I think we used about 3 or 4 coats on this this piece of the process. Just building up the layers. It does need sanding back after this. There you go. Fully primed. We then used a very thin coat of satin black, lightly sprayed, just to give us a guide coat to enable us to get a smooth surface. Helped us sandpaper down to a really finely smooth surface, ready for his final silver paint. Next, good clean wipe down with panel wipe, making sure all surfaces are clean and free of dust. We're about to paint the wheel silver, so yeah, just making sure everything's clean and dust free. We're only using tins, silver wheels. This is available from any DIY store, motorist, enthusiastic stores, anything like that. Off the shelf product this. There you go, straight into our lacquering process. Light coats, few light coats, letting dry between each coat, 15-20 minutes, and then we'll give it a good drying overnight, making sure lacquer surfaces and hardens very well. There you go, what a finish. overnight, left to dry, just to remove now the masking. So when you're removing masking, make sure you're peeling away from your surfaces you've just cleaned and painted. Obviously you don't want to damage the work that you've just done. And there you go. Quite a good finish that. Same process, lots of cleaning down with the centre caps, layering the paint. First layer black, which is a centre, and then we overfill the silver rim on the outside, masking up each time. And then here's the wheel attached to the Svetel. Bit of tyre black, just to show the colouring of the wheel up. And there we go. So if you've liked our video, please subscribe, share it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
What a video, by the way, and that was. If you've liked this video, make sure to subscribe. Plenty of content coming soon. Until next time, guys, see you later.